Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Ford Escape. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Visually inspect both batteries for any damage or leaks. Finally, position the working vehicle close to your Escape, ensuring they do not touch. This preparation is crucial for a safe jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Ford Escape's dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Ford Escape, away from the battery. With the cables connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle and allow it to run for about 5 minutes. This helps charge the dead battery slightly. After 5 minutes, attempt to start your Ford Escape. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a couple of minutes and try again. Once your Escape starts, let it run for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery gets a good charge. Now that your Ford Escape is running, it's time to disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Escape. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the working vehicle's battery. Then, remove the red positive clamp from the working vehicle's positive terminal. Finally, remove the red positive clamp from your Ford Escape's battery. Consider having your battery tested soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.